Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So first, what you guys want to do is check your headphones. So check the headphones with another device, so try connecting them. If you're using the USB-C adapter, then you guys can also check the charging port because dust can block the connection, and you guys can check it. If it's dusty or dirty, then clean it with a soft brush and it should be all good. Now, if you are not using a certified adapter and you're using a knockoff from Temu for an example, then I would recommend buying a certified adapter because they can work much better. Also, when they're certified, then it is proven for them to work, so you do not have to worry about that. And you guys can also test with another pair of headphones. So you'll grab another pair and you'll see if they work or not. Now, what you guys can also do if you're using the Bluetooth headphones is turn the Bluetooth off and on. So here we are. Now we need to unlock our device, and all we have to do is enter the settings app. So open up the settings. Now go to network and internet, then go over, sorry, not the network and internet, but the connected devices, I'm sorry. And here we go to connection preferences, Bluetooth, and here we make sure that our Bluetooth is gray and not blue. So for example, now it is turned on, we can see the device name and everything. Now we cannot see our device name, and as you guys can see, the Bluetooth is just turned off. So now turn it on and try and see if that fixed the issue. If not, then you can forget and repair the headphones that you had. And you guys can also charge the headphones fully, because when you do not charge them fully, then they can also be less possible to connect to it. So it is possible, but for some reason there's a 1 in a million chance that when your headphones are actually not fully charged, and even though if they're charged to like 80 or 70%, then they just won't connect. So make sure that you charge them fully before pairing them, and I would recommend avoiding any device interference. So for example, your other tablet that was connected to the headphones, it can connect the headphones to the other device and not yours. So be careful for the interference, and as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software, because it might be also the issue why your headphones are not detected. So go over to the main page of the settings. Now scroll down until you see system, and here in the system go to software updates. Click on system update, and as you guys can see, I've got a pending update, but my battery is just too low, or it's in the battery saving mode. Actually, it's both. So this update fixes critical bugs and improves the performance and stability of our device. So this update could definitely fix our headphones not being detected. So that's what you guys can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.